We're going to troubleshoot the index error you might get when trying to open your camera using OpenCV. This frustrating problem usually means OpenCV can't find or access your camera correctly. Let's go through the most common causes and solutions, step by step. 1. Verify camera connection and drivers. First, ensure your camera is physically connected to your computer and turned on. Check Device Manager, Windows, or System Information, Mac OS Linux, to confirm your camera is recognized and that it has the correct drivers installed. If not, download and install the latest drivers from the camera manufacturer's website. 2. Check camera index. OpenCV assigns an index number to each camera connected to your system. The default is often 0 for the first camera, 1 for the second, and so on. The error likely arises because you're using the wrong index. Try using a loop to iterate through possible indices and print out the results. This will help identify the right index for your camera, for I in range 10, and try 10 indices. Adjust as needed. Cap isoln CV2 bot video capture I, if cap.is opened. Print F camera found at index y. Break else, print F camera not found at index y. Cap.release. If this prints camera found at index X, replace the 0 in CV2.video capture 0 with X. 3. Multiple cameras conflicting software. If you have multiple cameras or other software accessing your camera, like video conferencing apps, conflicts might occur. Close unnecessary applications to see if this resolves the issue. Try unplugging other cameras temporarily to isolate the problem. Permissions. Ensure your program has the necessary permissions to access the camera. This is often handled by the operating system, but you might need to grant specific permissions in your system settings or within the code itself depending on the environment you are working with. 5. OpenCV. Installation. Verify that OpenCV is installed correctly. Sometimes an incomplete or corrupted installation can lead to errors. Try reinstalling OpenCV, ensuring you choose the correct version for your system and Python environment. 6. Code errors. Double-check your code for any typos or logical errors in how you're initializing and using CV2 video capture. Make sure you're handling potential errors appropriately, for example, using try-except blocks to catch exceptions. 7. Camera issues. Sometimes the problem isn't with the software, but with the camera itself. Try testing the camera with other applications to see if it works. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, it's possible that there's a hardware problem with the camera itself. Remember to restart your computer after making any changes to your system or drivers.